Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class lecture 40. In this lecture, we will explain about operations on polynomials. We can apply four basic operation or addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division over on any two polynomials. First, here in this lecture, we want to introduce addition of polynomials. How we can add two polynomials? Here, for adding two or more than two polynomials, we add like terms and write the unlike terms from the given polynomials. It is the method of addition of polynomials. Example, f of x is equal to, here we have to write one thing, note. We can add polynomials in two methods. One horizontal, number two vertical methods. In these two methods, we can add two polynomials. For example, add the following polynomials. Number one, f of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 7. G of x is equal to minus 5x square plus 3x minus 11. Here we want to add these two polynomial. Solution. First method, horizontal method. Here f of x plus g of x is equal to, f of x we have 2x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 7. Plus, instead of gx, we have to write the value of gx, minus 5x square plus 3x minus 11. Now it is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 7. Here we can write minus 5x square plus 3x minus 11. We want to add this the like terms from here Here we don't have another x cube. Here we can write 2x cube. Here we have 3x square. Here we have minus 5 square. 3 minus 5. Or we can write plus 3 minus 5 into x square. Here we have 5. Here we have 3. Then we can write plus 5 plus 3 into x minus, here we have plus 7, here we have minus 11. Now it is equal to 2x cube, 3 minus 5 minus 2 plus multiply by minus 2x square plus 5 plus 3 8x plus minus 4. It was the first example. Second example, a is equal to 8x square. Second method, we have, it was first method, we have to use vertical method. Number 2, vertical method. Now here we want to write f of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 7. Now g of x is equal to minus 5x square. We have to write like terms under each other. Minus 5x square plus 3x minus 11. Here we can write 0 into x cube. We can write like this. Now we want to add these two terms. F of x plus g of x is equal to 0 plus 2, 2 x cube plus 3 minus 5 minus 2 x square plus 5 plus 3 plus 8x minus, we have 7 plus 7 minus 11, we get minus 4. The result, both of them are same. Question 2, a is equal to 8x square plus 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5. B is equal to 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3x minus 19x square. Now we want to solve this question. We want to add these two polynomial. First one, horizontal method. A plus b is equal to a 8x square plus 2 into x minus 5 plus 15 minus 3x minus 19x square. Now it is equal to 8 minus 19 minus 11 x square plus 2x minus 3x minus x. From, if we add these two numbers, 2 minus 3, it is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by x. Minus 5 plus 15 plus 10. It is the solution of the summation of this polynomial. It was horizontal method. Now we want to use vertical method. In a vertical method, number 2, second method, a is equal to 8x square minus plus 2x minus 5. B is equal to, now we have to write like terms under each other. Here we have minus 19 x square minus 3x plus 15. Now we want to add these two terms, a plus b is equal to 8 minus 19 minus 11 x square plus 2 minus 3 minus x minus 5 plus 15 plus 10. It is the result. Both of them are same. Third question. Question 3. hy is equal to minus 2x to the power 4 plus 7x cube plus 11. P of y is equal to 8x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus x. Now we want to add these two polynomial. First method, horizontal method. Here we want to write h of y plus p of y is equal to h of y, we have minus 2x to the power 4 plus 7x to the power 3 plus 11 plus 8x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus x. Now we want to write the result. It is equal to minus 2x to the power 4 plus 8x to the power 4 minus 6x to the power 4. From 8 we subtract 2, we get 6. It is plus 6x to the power 4. 7x cube we have, here we don't have another x cube, so we can write itself plus 7x cube. Here we have minus 3x square plus x plus 11. It is the result of this adding of these two polynomial. Second one, vertical method. Here first we want to write the polynomial. We want to arrange them. H of y is equal to minus 2x to the power 4 plus 7x to the power 3 plus 0 into x to the power 2 plus 0 into x plus 11. Next one, p of y is equal to 8x to the power 4 minus plus 0 into x to the power 3. We don't have x to the power 3, so here minus 3x to the power 2 plus x plus 0. We don't have constant term, so we can write 0. Here h of y plus p of y is equal to 8 minus 2, it is equal to 6x to the power 4. 7 plus 0, it is equal to 7x to the power 3 plus 0 minus 3 minus 3x to the power 2 plus x minus plus 0 into x plus x. 0 plus 11, it is equal to 11. It was the method of adding two polynomials if you find our lecture is useful for you, please subscribe our channel and share with your friend. Thank you.